So guys, welcome to SC CyberSafe. So in today's video, I'll be doing something a bit different. I just want to introduce to all of you a new platform which I just found out, and it's called Graphy.com. So what is Graphy.com, or what is Graphy? Graphy is an LMS, which is a learning management system. And what does it do? So basically, for those into content creation online that are in the educational niche, for those that are looking to put out their content for students to apply, for students to learn, or for people to learn from their online courses or their platforms, this is a very good platform for you to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and run through the peculiarity of this website, or the peculiarity of this platform, and what makes it stand out amongst the other elements that you might know about. So the first thing that got to amaze me about this platform was that this platform enables you to create your own mobile app for your students. So basically, you're someone that teaches, you have this course you teach, maybe you teach mathematics, you teach programming. No matter what you teach, there are lots of, maybe cybersecurity, you're into the cybersecurity niche, and then you teach stuff related to ethical hacking, for example. And then you need a platform where you can get students, a platform where you can make money from. Then you need to look into Graphy. So Graphy has a sort of website that allows you to integrate your existing website into that platform, and no one would even know that you use Graphy as a major platform. I will explain to you how that works. Also, Graphy enables you to create custom app for your students. For example, you could have an application, you could have a mobile application that enables the students to always consult that mobile application. So this gives you more engagement, more subscriptions to your online course, and also more money, more earnings for you, because now it's accessible for those that are using mobile devices, or for those that are using computers or laptops to access your course or your program. Another thing that makes Graphy stand out is their live class with Zoom integration. So what do I mean by this? You could decide you want to have a live class with your students that have already subscribed to your courses. Perhaps the live class could just be a question and answer segment where you get to answer lots of the questions your students might have in relation to a course, or you might want to introduce a new program or a new course to them. So the need to have a live class cannot be overstated. So if you want to also explore live classes once in a while for your students, this platform enables you to do so. So you don't need extra subscription to Zoom to be able to do that. Once you have a subscription with Graphy.com, you can go ahead and use Zoom to host your lectures. So at the time of recording, the basic plan enables your Zoom classes to host about 300 students all at once. So you see how good this particular platform is. If you know me, and if you know what SC CyberSafe is all about, you know that we deal on security, and security is like our watchword, or my watchword basically. And the reason I like this platform is because in terms of security, you know that your content does not go out to anybody that is unauthorized to have it. There are some other LMS platforms that you could go ahead and download the content creators' videos and then share the videos without permission, or you can go ahead, some people go ahead to copy some of these things. But with this platform, once you go ahead to upload your video, it has some encryption that you can decide not to allow anyone to download that particular video, to share that particular video, or even to watch it more than a particular period of time. So in terms of privacy and in terms of security, this platform is really, really good. So I'm sure you want to explore it for those that are really big on security, or for those that find this particular feature very useful. Another thing that made me to love this platform when I first heard about it was the ability to create your own certificate of course completion. I know so many students wouldn't ordinarily want to do a course or go through a course without getting a sort of certificate to show that they have passed through this course. Because if you have nothing, if you have no certificate to show that you did a course or you went through a course, then it's almost like you didn't do it. So right now, students want to take a course and then have a certificate, have something to show that they're certified in that particular field, or they're certified in that particular knowledge. So Graphy as a platform has lots of templates you can use for your certification, and then it automates everything for you. All you need to do is put the name of the person, it imputes the person's scores if there are scores, and it puts everything you want. So it just makes every process seamless. So once the person is done with the course, the person automatically has access to the certificate. You could decide to make it paid for them to get certificate, or you could decide to make it a free certification. It depends on what you want, but the certification is available for you as a content creator to use. So this way, this is one thing you can use to get more students to your class. Also tell them that there's a certificate available. Most students will want to register for your class. Another very important feature that I found in Graphy was the ability of custom branding. And what do I mean by custom branding? For example, there are some platforms that are some LMS platform that you use, and then you would see the name of the LMS on your website, on the website. For example, you can't create your own custom domain, you can't brand it. And then imagine someone seeing the website as something.graphy.com. It might not really be that interesting to use, but with Graphy you can go ahead and use or integrate your own website. For example, I use sccybersafe.com to put out some information. I have to put some write-ups, some text and all, but you can decide to use that same sccybersafe.com as a platform for your students to attend your courses. But now you can do something like learn.sccybersafe.com, which is the domain you can integrate with the new Graphy domain which you will get. Don't worry about it if you don't know how to integrate it, or if you don't know how to create a website, or if you don't know how to do that. Don't worry, once you sign up, you will see someone that will put you through how to do all those, and then trust me, it is very easy, it is seamless, it's something that is easy to do. So your platform will look something like learn.sccybersafe.com. So it's still your platform, it's still your website, nothing changes. So you have your courses where people can always visit and then pay for those courses and then attend those classes. So these are just very few of the reasons why Graphy.com is a really good LMS for those that are into content creation, or for those that want to make lots of money from teaching. So if you are that type of person, or if you're a content creator, if you have something to teach, no matter what it is, if it's mathematics, if it's English, that's for those in Nigeria, if it's no matter the course, if it's cybersecurity, if it's programming in Python, whatever it is that you want to teach, you this is your opportunity to make money. This is your opportunity to get people into your class, and not just you as a content creator. Those that are also going to learn from it will surely gain, because this whole platform will make everything easier for both the lecturer, both the content creator, and also the students that are learning. So if you know this is interesting to you, if you know this sounds interesting to you, you can go ahead and use the link in the description to sign up for free. Once you click on the link, it will show you the processes of getting started, and then you have someone reach out to you to show you or take you through the process of registering.